Click the bell icon to never miss any update.
Where did water come from? Where has it been? Why does ice float? And how does water break the rules of chemistry? Water has many strange properties, including a high surface tension, an ability to dissolve more things than any other common liquid, and a solid state, which is ice that floats. These strange properties come from water's simple structure. Its atoms form a chevron shape with a slightly negative charged oxygen and positive hydrogens. This allows water to bind to and dissolve both negatively and positively charged molecules. Water does not follow the normal rules of chemistry. About 71% of the Earth's surface is made of water. Since the 19th century, chemists have developed a robust framework to describe what liquids are and what they can do. Those ideas are almost useless at explaining the weird behavior of water. A water molecule is made up of two light molecules, hydrogen and oxygen. Considering the temperatures and pressures on the surface of the earth, rules of chemistry say that water should be a gas. Unlike any other chemical, when water freezes, it expands. So, ice floats on water. Did you know that hot water freezes faster than cold water? Why? It's a peculiarity known as the Mpemba effect after a Tanzanian high school student named Ernesto B. Mpemba, who found in 1963 that hot ice cream mix froze faster than the colder mix in a classroom experiment. Years ago, we thought water is present only on Earth. In fact, it is the second most common molecule in the universe. Now we know that there is water on other planets as well. And where there is water, there could be life. The colorless, tasteless material continues to astound scientists with its rebel behavior.